Hey, what is up, PharMore Money family? Happy St. Patrick's Day. It is Wednesday, March 17th. I've been away for about a week. Just been very busy with COVID vaccine rollout as a pharmacist, being on the forefront of rolling out this vaccine to patients and facilities. It's been quite an undertaking, but happy to be here today posting a video. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to talk about Cirrus Logic today. It's one of my top chip stocks that we're going to dive into. It's currently trading at $81.16 with a ton of upside, trading way under its price multiple that it should be. To be honest, I think it's got a ton of upside as we move forward with especially from a Apple iPhone perspective. So we're going to dive in a little bit more, but just wanted to kick this off by saying, glad you guys all can join me and, let's have some fun and make some money in the stock market. So Cirrus Logic at a glance, right? So it was founded in 1984, listed on NASDAQ as CRUS. Its fiscal year 20 revenue came in at $1.28 billion. Massive, guys. I mean, this is big time. It's headquartered in Austin, Texas, and it has about 1,500 employees worldwide. Some of the products that they develop, so they develop smart codecs, audio amplifiers, haptic drivers and sensing solutions, camera controllers, product applications, which include AR, VR headsets, wearables, laptops. Their core strengths lie in the analog and digital signal processing. They're tremendous at, executing engineering for these products, world-class customer support, application expertise, and then, of course, supply chain management and quality, as well as an extensive IP portfolio with over 3,000 pending and issued patents worldwide. So this is a company that's not going anywhere. It's a mainstay. They've got partnerships out there with most massive companies in terms of developing, smartphones and laptops, Dell, Intel. Apple is one of their biggest, contributors to the fact that why this company, in my eyes, is going to be, a 10x opportunity for us all as we move forward in 2021 and beyond, guys. So PharMore Money family, Cirrus Logic has a great proven operating model. They leverage best-in-class IP, target fast-growing markets, engage tier one market leaders such as Apple, develop meaningful engineering relationships, design best-in-class custom and general market products, and expand with more content and more products, which basically floods into and leads to solid operating margins, which we all love as investors, strong cash flow, once again, we love this, and a leading supplier of low-power, high-performance, mixed signal ICs. So lots up ahead that we're going to discuss in regards to its Q3 fiscal results and the outlooks for Q4 and just in general for this year. So Cirrus Logic reported some great Q3 financial results. They reported a revenue stream of $485.8 million and gross margin at 51.8%, along with operating expenses at about $105.7 million. Their earnings per share for the GAAP earnings per share were at $1.91 and non-GAAP earnings per share were at $2.13. So overall, outstanding financial results from Q3. All right, PharMore Money family. So let's cover some of the core strengths and growth strategy for Cirrus Logic up ahead in this year. Obviously, they have outstanding signal processing components and associated software algorithms. They've got great execution and supply chain management, strong customer relationships, such as with companies like Apple, focused on market-leading customers as well. They're currently shipping in smartphones, tablets, truly wireless headsets, wearables, and laptops. Now, their growth strategy for 2021 and ahead is to strengthen the position to become the leading audio supplier in smartphones. So not just Apple, with the iPhone, but Androids, Google phone, whatever you call it. This is where they want to really accelerate their growth. Increasing sales of audio components and applications beyond smartphones. So that includes tablets, wearables, AR, VR headsets, and then drawing on an extensive mixed signal engineering expertise to develop technology in new product areas. So fiscal year 2020 results, I've circled them here. Revenue came in at $1.28 billion, as I said before, and then gross margin came in at about 52.6%. So pretty solid results, guys. The quarter four fiscal year 21 outlook looks to be around 280 to 320 million, and the gross margin is supposed to come in anywhere between 50 to 52%. They're also having a spend on R&D, research and development, of about 121 to 127 million dollars. That's massive, guys. So Cirrus Logic is looking to make moves up ahead. Obviously, they have a great partnership with Apple already and looking to expand on that, especially with the iPhone 13, and I'm going to cover that here in the next slide. So PharMore Money family, Cirrus Logic and Apple is going to have a pivotal partnership as they continue to move forward. The success of iPhone 12, the lineup itself, has given audio chip supplier Cirrus Logic a big shot in the arm, right? So the chip maker recorded terrific sales and earnings growth last quarter, quarter three, partly and due to the iPhone 12 demand exceeding expectations, which led to Cirrus beating the higher end of its own revenue guidance range. Apple accounted for 87% of Cirrus Logic's revenue last quarter. That's going to be a tailwind for the chip maker in this era of 5G smartphones, which Apple is expected to dominate. There have been reports already that Apple plans to substantially increase iPhone production in the first half of the 2021 fiscal year to satisfy huge end market demand. And now, the latest supply chain gossip indicates that the 2021 iPhone model could be produced in bigger numbers than the iPhone 12. Dan Ives, one of a great analyst and someone who you should pay attention to of Wedbush, estimates that Apple could place an initial order of 100 million units for the rumored iPhone 13, which would be a huge jump over the iPhone 12's initial build order of 80 million units for Cirrus Logic. So guys, this is a stock that has a ton of upside. I hope you get to do your own research as well. This is just something that I put together based on what I'm seeing. I like where the stock is headed. It's at $81 right now, and I think it has a ton of upside over the next 2 to 3 years. Thanks so much. If you've enjoyed this video, if you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Turn on your notifications as videos are going to continue to pour in as we move forward through 2021. This is going to be the road and journey to wealth and to just massive portfolio returns as we move forward. Thanks, everyone.